I've been going down a bit of a rabbit hole. As we're talking about conspiracies, I've been going down a bit of a rabbit hole. And there's this science facility in Geneva, so Switzerland, called CERN, spelled CERN. Basically, what they're doing is they're smashing, I think it's like atoms or something, or electrons together to try and create a black hole. I know you might have heard about it in the past.
Yeah.
Have you heard about it?
I've heard about something like this. I've not heard about CERN before.
Yeah, because I remember in 2009, I was in the car with Mum, and it came on the radio that they're going to turn this machine on, and it could like cause a massive black hole. I was like, what the fuck? But it turned on, and obviously nothing happened. But apparently, there's a conspiracy. What they're trying to do is open a portal to another dimension, and there's people like saying that. Do you know? Have you heard of the Mandela effect? So the Mandela effect's like basically. So people thought Nelson Mandela died in prison, but
Yeah.
apparently he didn't. But that's what people thought like back in the day.
Oh, it's yeah, I know this. It's like when it's basically like manipulation, isn't it, to your mind?
Yeah, well, it's like what psychologists say it is. It's like you just perceive something as what it was, and you thought you was that set on thinking it was that, but it's not. But it's just weird because a lot of people think the same things. So like, there's one with a Ford badge as like a circle on it, like not circle, like a loop. But people are saying that never used to be there. And the more I've looked into the Mandela effect, there's one guy who said he used to work for Chevrolet, and he goes, there was an E in it after one of the letters. But he goes, I remember because I used to have to type it out every single day, like 20, 30 times. But now, he goes, it definitely used to have an E there. And he goes, no, he's not got an E there. So what they're saying is this thing's like, and Stephen Hawking apparently warned about doing this because it could push us into another dimension, the Earth. What they're saying is like, because they've turned his finger on it, it's pushing us through parallel universes. So like things are changing on the Earth, and we're not fully realizing it.
Right. Fucking hell.
It's weird, isn't it?
That's well fucking far, that.
The further and further I went down this rabbit hole, I was like, fucking hell.
So is that related to CERN?
Yeah, that's CERN's the facility that I've turned his finger on. And then another thing with CERN, they've got a statue of Shiva outside the god, the destroyer god, Hindu destroyer god.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Destroyer
yeah.
of universes.
This is outside CERN?
Yeah. On the like right outside the main building.
That makes no sense why that's there.
They said it got gifted to him from India. But still, why did they gift them that? And then there's a video of them, they came out and said it's a hoax, but there's people doing like this weird ritual in front of it.
Yes. Oh shit,
Yeah.
hell, that's a scary photo. Fucking hell.
They said it's a hoax, but
Could have been random people going there.
you can't get into the premises without a card though, key card.
Look how fucked up that was even at night time.
Yeah, the statue looks scary, innit? With the shadow there in the back.
That's just a photo of it at night, yeah. Do you know why you're saying all this shit? Because I don't know about it. You're saying all this shit that they do there. Even from the beginning, you said the black hole. Then you went on the Mandela effect. And then you went, and then the Shiva got outside. But it leaps around, doesn't it? So like we've talked, I don't know if we've talked on the podcast like about Hinduism. I think we did it after a podcast. We went down the rabbit hole. But it's funny how it loops around.
Weird, isn't it?
That's bare weird.
And you can read up Stephen Hawking warned about turning this thing on.
I'm gonna look into this because it's weird. Yeah, the CERN is the European Organization for Nuclear Research. an intergovernmental organization that operates the largest particle physics laboratory in the world in Geneva.
Do you know how I came across it actually? There was a short and it mentioned this facility called CERN, but it said it was talking like about uh, something to do with Satan's throne, and it said that Satan's throne is located in the Bible. It says it's located in this region, and it said this region is Switzerland, Geneva. And it goes now. There's a science facility there where they're trying to open dimensions to the underworld.
What the fuck? Is that some Stranger Things shit?
Yeah, no. So that's what I thought. What the fuck? This sounds like Stranger Things. And I started looking into CERN, and I came across all this other shit.
I wonder if like
Obviously, they're all theories. I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
yeah, but one thing that's not a theory is the god outside the thing.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's like what makes it believable.
Mm.
Like, but then they know like that would just cause questions.
But sometimes they say like they do things in plain sight.
Yeah, that's true. Like they have to.